Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a quick Hobby Lobby haul. I got this stuff a few weeks ago and I thought I'd share it with you guys just in case you're looking for any of this stuff and you may see something you like. Also, I'll be using some of this for friend mail, so some of you may get to see it in the future. So I did get this vinyl. It was originally $2.49, but I think it was 75% off. I got that one, and I got this watermelon print. I thought that watermelon print was so pretty. And these are just like self-adhesive kind. It's not iron-on or anything like that. I also picked up a bunch of different stickers because they were on sale. I got two of these. This one was 99 cents. Just like little fashionista girls. This one was a little more. It was $1.24, but I really liked it. I thought it was really cute. It's a Christmas themed one, and I kind of want to start getting back into paper crafts. My friend Rhonda here on YouTube has got me wanting to start back. So, and then I also picked up 3 of these. These are just Happy Valentine's Day ones. Sorry about the glare. But they were only 74 cents, and like I said, some of this is going in friend mail, so there's that. I also picked up one of these. They were on sale for $1.99, but honestly, guys, I've never bought them before, so I had no idea how to even find them. So I had a lady help me, and we were able to find one, so I went ahead and picked it up. And this is just some basic patterns that I can try. So I did get that. I also picked up a roll of this beautiful, like, rainbow holographic iron-on vinyl. And it was originally $12.99, but I think it was 50% off if I'm not mistaken. And it's just so pretty. And you can iron this on to like doll clothes, bedding, and you guys know I love to make bedding for my shop. Also, I picked up some of these little pastel teddy bears. They're going to be going with a bed set that I'm making. They actually look really cute with Sunshine Girl over there. And then we have some friendship charms. They were 49 cents each. I bought a bunch of these. I thought I could just hook them on to like friend mail, things like that. Then some more like little gems. These are dinosaurs. Very pretty. A lot of those little charms. Like I said, this one says BFF and happy. And then we have one that says Be Yourself and Girl Squad. And then I also picked up 2 of these. Oh, these are really cute. So these are the Christmas ones as well. And they do have some on the back, just like a repeat. But they're cute. So I got those. I'm getting into the good stuff, which is like the charms and stuff, which is my favorite. Then we have another one of those. This one says I do not care, and then BFF. Okay. Now we're getting into some other goodies. So I did pick up some of these little, they're eyelets, but they weren't good for making fake zippers on clothing. So I did pick those up. They were 99 cents. I also picked up some of these charms. There's Believe, Love, and Hope on sale. I'm trying to get the sale items out first. I also got these. I thought these were cool. Very, very cool. And they are kind of like puffy, 74 cents. I did get 2 because, of course, I want to get some for my friends too. And then I picked up, oh, there's another one of these in there as well. They didn't have any other colors or I would have got it, just this copper tone. And then I got this. It's a whale pull for like a dresser or, you know, whatever. I thought it was really cute, and I have like a beach theme in my bathroom, so I think I'm going to redo my bathroom sink area. And then we have our charms, and then we have fabric as well. I also picked up these. These were, I want to say 75 to 50% off or something along the lines of that. They're just little itty bitty keys. So what I'm going to do is make some little keys with a key ring, or like little keychain for the dolls for Barbie. So yeah, that's what I got those for. And then I got these to make some more jewelry. Very, very pretty. They're just little beaded charms. These were another one that I found on sale. They're just the infinity symbol, but I thought they were pretty. I found this one, and I kind of wish I would have had it earlier for a project, but I have it now and it's really cute. Just a little anchor. I also picked up these. I don't think these were on sale. They may have been. Oh yes, they were. Because they were the Charm Me. They're just little itty bitty like astronauts and planets. I love anything like space related, so I did get those. I also got 2 of these. They're like little charms of the Eiffel Tower. And you guys know Christina loves Paris. So we got these to display in doll rooms as like a little, you know, tower. So we both got one. And then I picked up these for a future project. It's Alice in Wonderland little storybooks. There's 2 of them, and they were only $4.99, but I think it was like, I want to say 75% off. Next we have fabric. So I did get some mink fur. As you can see, it is dirty. It was $3.68, and the reason that it was marked down is because it does have some dirt spots on it where it's fell on the floor or something. So I'm going to wash it, maybe add a little bit of bleach. I don't know if it's going to work, but we'll see. If not, I can use what's not dirty, you know? So I did pick it up on a whim. I also picked up a pretty good amount of this cheetah or leopard, I don't know, I think it's cheetah print fur. It's so soft, and I have a lot of ideas that I want to make with this. It does shed though, so that's a problem. And then I have a couple other fabrics here. So let's see. I have a couple stretch fabrics that I got for making doll shirts. I got 2 different colors. Their fabrics are a little more expensive, so I didn't go all out. I also got a little bit of tulle for a project. Got some pineapple fabric, which I think is super cute. I got this one, which is like a mermaid theme. We also got some more Paris fabric. You know we gotta have Paris fabric in our house because Christina loves Paris. And my favorite one is this Marie fabric. It was super expensive, but I think I got a half a yard of it, if I'm not mistaken. And I just loved it so much. I think I'm going to try something 18-inch in this fabric. But that is pretty much it. That's all I got from Hobby Lobby. And I guess I'll see you guys very soon with another video. I hope you have a wonderful day.